So hello everyone, in this video we'll be working on our second challenge, which is write a JavaScript program to find the area of a triangle where lengths of three of its sides are 5, 6 and 7. So we'll be finding the area of a triangle whose sides are mentioned as 5, 6 and 7 unit. So let's do that. First of all, we have to write a function that will calculate area, and we'll be receiving some inputs. Let's say side 1, side 2, side 3. Yep. And here I can provide the size, and I can calculate the area, and here I'll print the result, a, whatever the calculate area function will return to me. So the first side I'll provide 5, second will be 6 and third will be 7. Here we'll be doing the calculation. The calculation is simple for finding the area of the triangle. It is we can do that with the help of Heron's formula. So we can search the Heron's formula. Let me just show you that. So basically this is Heron's formula. You can see under it's root, basically root of s and s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. And s is basically the semi parameter that is counted after like joining all the sides and dividing it by 2. By the help of that we can count the s. So let me just count the s first, or basically the semi parameter. It is basically the sum of side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 and divided by 2. And the area will be, we can count the area with the help of math sqrt. I can find out the root, and in that you can see we have s multiplied by s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So we can do that in this. I can multiply s with s minus a. A means side 1, and then we can multiply s minus b, which is s minus side 2, and then we can multiply s minus side 3. If I return the area, that will be returned in this console.log method. Let me just save it and show you the area. You can see this is the area. So this was the exercise. I hope you got something. And in this we used math.sqrt to find out the root. So this is it. Let's meet in the next challenge.